think I can speak for many of us in the room. We are personally grateful for the ministry of Pure Desire and the men and women that have gone before us and paved the way, and those who have found healing and turned and paid their healing forward by leading groups.
At the time, I thought that I could do it on my own. And then following that, shortly after, I relapsed again. I began to learn that all of the relapses were not random. I began to learn and unpack trauma and denial, and the power of the community and the honesty and vulnerability is where true healing can be found.
He shared a story with me and shared how it started when he was 10 years old. And that was really all that meant for me in that moment, was that I was finally not alone and finally be able to step out of that hiding. Yeah, and so that was really, it felt like somebody let me out of prison that day.
Something in us longs to take an adventure, to do hard things, to scale what has never been scaled, to go where no one has gone. And now this sounds like a Star Trek commercial, but you get what I'm saying. The challenge in our church, or the challenge in our home, or in our marriage, or in our society, we might be tempted to lose heart. But our God has called us to venture boldly with Him. And I believe it's no accident that you are in this room tonight. I believe that we have been called together to do great things in our world, and it starts as rooms like this say, you know what? I'm going to be a part of that. As God has enabled me, whether in my means are great or small, I want to be a part of what God is doing in this area in our world. And so tonight our team has been praying and asking in faith that God would provide over $100,000 to continue towards that mission of how we can spread this message, impact more churches, and help more couples, families, and singles find hope, healing, and freedom.